If you'd like to combine two projects in syGlass into one, you must first highlight both projects by holding down Control and selecting them in your project library. While still holding down Control, right-click on one of the projects and click Launch Project. Enter VR to start the volume registration process. Both of the volumes will open in the room in front of you, and they will act as two separate channels. Use the wrist menu on your right controller to move and scale each project separately or together. Since this piece of data on the left is a 4-dimensional piece of data that's moving through time, I'm first going to pause it, and then we're going to use our transformation tool. There are two ways to combine your projects. The first way is to do it manually, or you can use a transformation tool to do the point set registration. What you'll need to do is check the box that says volume. Your datasets will have different bounding boxes around them, and your controller will have a red dot on the top. The color of the dot should align with the color of the bounding box. And basically all you're going to do is going to put points down on each of the datasets at approximately where you'd like them to align. The points can be moved after you drop them using the trigger. I'm just going to use my max intensity projection visualization setting to see where I'm placing my registration points a little easier. And then just go back and forth with my red and blue dots and place them where I feel like they should be aligned with each other. So after all of your dots are set up, go to your Tool Settings menu and press Apply Point Set. I'm going to just go back and change my visualization settings again to Absorption Model, and after you're satisfied with how your projects are aligned, go back into desktop mode. In desktop mode, with the projects still highlighted, go up to File and down to Combine Open Projects. There'll be a dialog that pops up that asks about the resampling quality of your project, with a default that we feel is correct for your dataset. However, it can be altered manually. Just know that the higher the resample, the longer your project will take to load. For now, we're going to keep ours pretty low, right about where the suggestion for our project was set up, and then press Save. And just like you're creating a new project, you're just going to find a good file location and save your project with the name you'd like it to be saved as in your project library. Once you hit Save, the project will begin to download, and this may take a moment. After your project has been downloaded, you'll have a brand new project in your library, as well as the two original projects, and you can get to exploring your data. Thank you.